In order can lock cells in Microsoft Excel, we're coming to the worksheet that we are working on, and from the above left section we are clicking the corner of the sheet, clicking right, and from here we are clicking Format Cells. As you can see here from the opening window, we have several tabs. We're coming to Protection tab, and as we can see, the entire worksheet has the cells locked. We're clicking OK, and after that we are clicking inside our tables data the cells that we want to be editable. That means those cells will be unlocked and we will be able to edit them. We select those and we are clicking right, and from here we are selecting Format Cells. From the opening window, once again we are coming to Protection tab, and as you can see here, the locked checkbox is checked. We are checking this, we are clicking OK, and after that from the above section we are coming to Review tab and we are clicking Protect Sheet. From here there is an options from the opening window. As you can see, password to unprotect sheet. We are leaving empty. If you want to put a password, you can. It's optional to you. It depends on you. And after that, we are not checking nor unchecking something from the below. We're clicking OK. And let's now edit some cells. Let's edit the unlocked cells. Let's change the value of the week 1 of January. And as you can see, the sum of January changes. Let's edit the total of January. Try to type something else. And you can see immediately Microsoft Excel stops us and says this cell is protected and you cannot edit it. Let's also check if this applies to other cells. I'm gonna change the value of February week 3, and yes, we can edit it. Try to modify the total cell, and as you can see, immediately Excel prevents the modification. If you want to also unprotect these cells, from the above menu, once again you are coming to Review tab. From the Protect section, simply you are clicking Unprotect Sheet, and now you are able to modify each cell in this workbook. As you can see, I can modify the total, I can do whatever I want, and that's it. Now you know how to protect your worksheet with protection layer. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.